Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can make the first setup of this device. And so the first we have to click and hold power button that you can find on this right edge when you take a look on this front screen. So click and hold it. Right now when you get this sound you can release the button and you will get the screen of the first setup. So right now we can choose the language at the first. You got here the list of all languages. I'm going to stay with the English, so click on the marker to confirm. Here we got some kind of the legal stuff. Let's accept all of them. We can turn on or turn off location. I'm going to turn it on. And right now, as you can see, we have to connect with this quick application. So what do you have to do right now? That's very simple. We have to grab our smartphone and that's what I'm going to do right now. Let me just turn off the eye protection because the screen turns to the red color. Okay, right now it looks fine. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit to show you my smartphone. Let's put it like that. I'm gonna put here the camera, leave it, turn it on. And then for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. And then you have to go for the Play Store. Oh, let me just install this application. I just install, but we have to go for the search pool and we have to type quick and we have to find this application, the GoPro Quick Video Edition and Slideshow Maker. So let's download this application by tapping right here. I'm going to adjust also the screen that you look at and clean my screen a little bit. Okay, right now it looks definitely better. Right now we can open this application. And as you can see, we get two options. Yes, we have our GoPro next to us. So click to pair my GoPro. Click right here to connect camera, accept permission to the location. And right now our smartphone is looking for our GoPro Hero 10 Black. We have to remember that we have to leave this camera turned on. And as you can see, it automatically finds our device. So right now click to connect. Click pair and connect. Accept connection. As you can see, here we got some kind of the notification that I have to upgrade my SD card because it's too slow. Okay. I don't want to get this notification another time, so I'm going to click yes, I understand. Here we can change our camera name. Currently is live as GP245645526. Let's name our GoPro like HardReset, for example. It will be definitely easier to remember. Then click to save a new name. Okay, right now it's finished, so click let's go. Okay, I don't want to try it, so I'm going to click not now. And as you can see, right now we are connected. We finally set up our device with this camera. I mean, we set up our camera of our smartphone so we can use it right now. And yeah, so basically that's how the first setup looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.